In this video, you will learn how to enable the text message alerts feature on your individual loan officer profile. Enabling this feature will allow you to get text notifications about new loan applications, completed loan applications, and new leads. To begin, log into your account, then click on Users on the sidebar. Then, click the Edit button, or the blue pencil, next to the loan officer you want to enable the alerts for. Next, click on Notifications. You should see a form to enter your phone number. Enter the cell phone number that should receive your text alerts, and select Yes to the question, Turn on Text Alerts. Read through the consent text. If you agree, check the box granting e-traffickers permission to send you text alerts. Click Save. Check your cell phone. You will soon receive a text message asking you to opt in by replying yes. You must complete this step to begin receiving notifications on your phone. After replying yes, refresh the web page and it will show that you are officially connected. You've successfully enabled text message alerts for your loan officer profile. Now you'll stay updated on important notifications wherever you are. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etraffickers.com.